Today, we learn how to analyze a contract within Clio Work. Hi, everyone. I'm David from Streamline Legal, where we help attorneys get the most out of Clio. Attorneys, think about the last contract you had to review line by line, hunting for the one clause that's going to cause a problem 6 months down the road. And paralegals, you know that feeling of getting handed a contract review with same-day turnaround on top of everything else on your plate. Today, I want to show you a workflow that takes that first pass off your shoulders. Clio Work can read an entire contract, flag the risks, and hand you a breakdown that you can actually count on in minutes, not hours. This is the Analyze a Contract workflow. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to run it, which practices get the most out of it, and how to save your results back into Clio Manage so they're part of the matter for good. A quick disclaimer before we go any further. AI-generated output should always be reviewed by a qualified legal professional before use in negotiation, drafting, or client advice. Here at Streamline Legal, we like to think of AI as your second year of law school intern. They may be great at helping you with legal research, but you're going to check their work because it's your name and your firm whose reputation is on the line. That said, let's dive right in. Okay, here's our demo matter, an employment agreement between our client, Probolski, and the Orange County Power Authority. Employment agreements are a great example of why the Analyze a Document workflow exists. They're dense, they're full of defined terms, and the risk usually isn't in the big obvious clauses, it's buried in the fine print. Termination provisions, restrictive covenants, indemnification language, that's exactly the kind of thing Vincent is built to catch. From inside the matter, we click on Clio Work, and it opens up a new tab. Once inside, we can click on the Analyze dropdown and choose Analyze a Contract. Now we get to choose which document to analyze, and we've already uploaded the employment agreement to the matter. So we're going to say Add from Matter, and it finds our CEO employment agreement. Click on it and hit Add One Document. Here's where this workflow really shines. Once Vincent has read the agreement, it doesn't just spit out one generic summary. It suggests a whole menu of ways to break the contract down, and you pick what you actually need. For our agreement, let's run risk mitigation and obligation. Those are two topics that will come in handy for most contracts. I've checked those two boxes, and we hit go. And Vincent is now thinking. It's going to ask us a couple questions. First, what party do you represent? We represent Mr. Probolski, not the Orange County Power Authority. So first, you'll see the risk mitigation chart, complete with the risks that Vincent identified, as well as a priority column to help you identify the high risks from the low risks. Also included are the proposed mitigations so that we can put this information into action for our client today. You can see it's an incredibly detailed list. We're going to jump down, though, and look next at our comprehensive list of post-closing obligations. This is where Vincent lists out the obligations found in the contract, tells us how they will impact our client, and includes recommendations for our review as to how to address these obligations. And just like the other Vincent workflows, every finding is citation-backed. You can click through and it takes you straight to the clause in the agreement that it's talking about. So you're not just taking Vincent's word for it, you're verifying it in seconds. If you want to go further, you can follow up right in the conversation, something like draft a compliance checklist for this agreement. And Vincent keeps building on what it's already found. Now let's take a quick moment and talk about which practice areas are going to get the most out of this Analyze a Contract workflow in Clio Work. Surely this workflow is built for anyone whose work runs through contracts. Employment law, exactly what we're looking at today, spotting risks in agreements before they're signed. Corporate and transactional practices, a first pass review on deal documents. Real estate law, leases and purchase agreements, obvious. In-house counsel, fast turnaround on vendor and partner contracts before consulting with outside counsel. Or general practice firms, anywhere a client walks in with a contract and needs to know what they're signing. If a contract review is part of your week, this workflow is going to save you real time on the first pass, so you can spend your energy where it actually counts, the negotiation. Okay, last step. Let's get this information out of the chat and into the matter. Above the results, let's go all the way back to the top here. Above the results, you'll see a download icon. You can click that to export as a Word document or a PDF, so you can send it to a client or drop it straight into your negotiation notes. Or better yet, if you want it to live inside Clio Manage, use the save icon to save the analysis as a new file directly to this matter. You can find the save icon at the bottom of the chat right here where it says save to manage. We'll click on it, type in a name, employment agreement, review, save. This new file will sit in the Documents tab next to the employment agreement it came from, so anyone on the matter can pull it up later without digging through old chat conversations. So that's analyze a contract in Clio Work. Upload your agreement, let Vincent flag what matters, and save it right back where the rest of your matter lives. It's a small step that takes a lot of the grind out of that first pass review. And this is really just one piece of what Clio Work can do for your firm. If you're curious how your team could be putting it to use, please reach out to us at Streamline Legal today to see how your firm could be using Clio Work. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel where you'll find hundreds more videos just like this one. I'm David from Streamline Legal, where we help attorneys get the most out of Clio, and I'll see you all in the next video.